Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup. So if you want to see more reviews, looks, or fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna talk about my hair care routine, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. This time around I actually filmed my eye look, so if you're curious about it, it should be already live on TikTok and Instagram, and you can find those in my description box, and I will list down below everything that I have on my face as well. I decided to film this video not because I am a professional or something like that, but because 1 year ago I didn't know anything about hair, and right now I'm using a bunch of products and I learned one or two things just by using them. Like I said, not a professional, but maybe this video could be helpful for some product reviews and just to talk a bit. Maybe you could let me know what products you are using and you are loving, and I'm gonna test them out. And yeah, so just a fun video, nothing professional. As you can see, my hair is pretty natural today because I decided just to let it air dry yesterday, and this is pretty much my hair. I have some products in my hair, I will let you know when we are talking about them. But yeah, so my hair is very straight, and right now I do have bleached hair. My hair is usually a bit more pink. Right now I did just wash my hair and didn't apply my pink shampoo, but it is a bit pink, and I have oily hair, very oily hair. I'm washing my hair 2 times per week, so around 3 or 4 days. So let's start with that. So I have my Olaplex line. I'm keeping this one upside down just to be easier to use, but I have the Olaplex number 4 and 5, the shampoo and conditioner. I do like both of them, they are pretty good, and this is a bond maintenance line. They are really good products, but because they are so expensive, I'm usually using them every other time. So one time I'm using my Olaplex line and the other time I'm using other shampoos that I love. But this line is really good, I do recommend them. Like I said, they are pretty expensive, but these bottles will last you at least 4 months, and if you are using other shampoos and conditioners, they will last you even longer. So I do recommend them. I am very curious about the new shampoo. The shampoo is my favorite. The rest of them, they are great, but I like the shampoo the most. And they are releasing a newer one, is the number 4C, and the C is from, I don't know, clearance or clean or clarity or something. Anyway, it's a more clarifying shampoo. So that one will be very good at removing any excess products, any buildup, any oils that you have in excess. And yeah, I'm very curious about that one, but for now I do really like the normal line. And I have another one of these shampoos for blonde hair. I think I will be able in the future to use that one if I want, but for now I want to have pink hair. So really good products, but I do recommend rotating your shampoos just because it is interesting to test other products as well. I like testing shampoos as well. I like testing everything, so shampoos is just another thing. And I want to mention as well Syoss shampoos and Elseve conditioners. I will put maybe some pictures because I just finished them. I really like that combo and a really good option from the drugstore. Then I have another shampoo in here, this giant bottle. This is the Wella Volume Boost, and it's the giant green turquoise tube. This shampoo, I don't like the packaging. Of course, it is for a professional use, so I think you can buy a pump. Didn't see one in the store, but yeah, I'm just using it like this. But I'm always using too much product with this this packaging, which is not great, but I like it, but it's not my favorite. I prefer the Syoss shampoos over this one, but it's a good product in general, but it's not my favorite. And then I have my favorite pink purpley shampoo, and this is the Teknia Color Refresh. It's the violet lavender, but it is kind of pink. And this brand Teknia, I don't know if it is a sub-brand of the brand Lakme Cosmetics. it is right here because I knew this shampoo by being Lakme. I did recommend this shampoo a bit ago because I was testing a violet shampoo or something. If you have maybe very, very white hair and you just want a tint of pink, wash your hair with this shampoo and rinse it immediately, and you are gonna have the most beautiful lavenderish, pinkish, cool toned hair, because this makes your hair more cool toned and gets rid of that brassy, orangey tints. So this is amazing. I do really love it. But when I'm using this one, I usually use other shampoo first, rinse it off and everything, and then I'm washing my hair with this one, and I let it sit in my hair for about 5 minutes and then rinse it out and put conditioner. Last night when I washed my hair, I didn't use this product because I was curious how my hair will look, and as you can see, I still have some pink into my hair, so this is really good. I really recommend it. Okay, so these were shampoos and conditioners. Let's move into other products that I'm using just to maintain my hair pretty healthy, or at least as healthy as can be. So I have the other product from Olaplex. I'm keeping this one upside down as well because I am right here, so almost done with it. This is the Olaplex number 6, and this is the Bond Smoother, and this is like a cream. You put a bit in your hand and then massage it into your hair. I really don't like that application. I don't like having my hands dirty with products in general, except maybe in makeup, but for hair I don't really like it. I do like this product. Your hair feels a bit more hydrated, and it is a Bond Smoother, so your hair feels a bit more smooth and less frizzy. But I prefer a spray, so I don't think I'm gonna repurchase this one, but in general it is a really good product. And then talking about a spray, I do have the Schwarzkopf Gliss Supreme Length. This is a backup right now, so after I'm done with the Olaplex one, I will start using this one. I didn't test this exact one, but I have tested in the past other sprays from Schwarzkopf, and I know that I really like them, so I do recommend this product. This is of course drugstore, so a lot less expensive than this one, but they are not really replacing one another. I have other product to replace this one, so I do recommend this one. It's a more everyday product. And for replacing the Olaplex one, I have this System Professional Liquid Hair. As you can see, I did use half of it and then I stopped using it and start using this one, and right now I really miss it. And I like this product more than the Olaplex one because this being a liquid product, it doesn't weigh down my hair. This one being a cream, I feel like it just adds a bit of texture and a bit of heaviness. So like I said, I still like the Olaplex one. I feel like it's a really good product, but I prefer this one. And then I have two other products for protecting my hair, and I have here a heat protector. So this is the Syoss Keratin Heat, and I do like this one. For heat protectant, I don't know how you can see results. My hair feels pretty good even though I'm using heat on it, so I think this is helpful. I do like this product, but I want to compare it to the other one that I have. This is my backup right now. This is the Teknia Hair Care Frizz Control Protector, and it's the same brand as my pink purple shampoo. So yeah, I need to test this one first just to compare them because they are both frizz control, so they should be pretty similar. And yeah, I'm gonna let you know in a speed review or in an empties what I think about this one after I'm done with this other one. Let's finally move to the styling products. As I said, I don't know much about hair, so I don't have a lot of styling products, but let's talk about some dry shampoo. It's not really styling, but it is helpful. So I have my favorite one in here, the Batiste one. I prefer the tropical scent, but I have in here the cherry one. I want to test a bit more the volume booster ones. I'm curious about those, but I do like Batiste dry shampoos in general. They leave a white cast on my dark hair, but I could blend it out, so it is totally fine. I do really like it. And then I have the IGK Direct Flight, and this says in here is medium cleanse level, texturizing, volumizing, style extender. No. I really don't like this one because I have very oily hair. So if you don't have oily hair and you just want to add a bit of something to your hair, this could work. But yeah, it's not for me. Medium cleanse level, no way. This is very light in my opinion. And then for the texturizing and volumizing part, I feel like this tries to do too many things. You could be just a dry shampoo, it's totally fine, and I could use other products for texturizing and volumizing. This is not helpful at all on my greasy hair. And then I have a very similar one. This is the Garnier Fructis, and this is the invisible shampoo, yada yada. This is very similar to the IGK one. Not really helpful with my very oily hair. The main difference between them is of course the scent, and this is a normal spray and this one is an aerosol. Don't have any idea how to pronounce that in English because in Romanian it's the same, aerosol, but it's pronounced different. So this is like that, very strong. I prefer the sprayer on this one, but this is 5 times the price of this one, and I feel like I used this one up because I am right here. I used this one up very fast, so I do have a lot more product in here, and I did use this one a lot more times than this one. So yeah, the price is weird. So I don't really like this one. I feel like it does nothing for my hair. This one is not helpful either. So they are both not in my favorites for sure. And yeah, not great for very oily hair. And then recently I bought this one. I didn't taste it much, maybe 3 times or something like that. But I know that I don't like the smell. It smells something like an orange or something citrusy, which is okay in general, but I don't know. I don't like this one. This is the Bedhead Dirty Secret Dry Shampoo, and I have the mini one. This is nice. The product itself doesn't smell nice, but it is nice. So far I like it, but I need to taste it more. And these are all my dry shampoos. So I have 2 that I hate, 2 that I love. So we are decent at that. And lastly, let's talk about some texturizing, volumizing spray, because I discovered recently that my flat, straight hair loves these kind of products because they add so much volume. I could just do this and yeah, my hair looks frizzy and crazy, but at least I have some volume, so I'm very happy with this product. I have 2 right now, and this is the first one that I tasted and I adore this product, the IGK Beach Club Volumizing Texturizing Spray. This is so good, I adore it, but sadly my Sephora doesn't have it anymore. I'm almost done with it and I want to repurchase it, but can't find it anywhere. I have a mini as well because they were not selling the bigger bottle, and I have a bigger bottle in the IGK dry shampoo, which I don't like. Wonderful. This is amazing, really amazing. It is an aerosol spray as well, and this one smells nice as well. I really like this product, but because I can't buy this one right now, I decided to test another one, and this is the Bedhead Salty Not Sorry Epic Texturizing Salt Spray, and I do like this one as well. This one smells a bit better. They both smell citrusy, but for some reason this one is okay. This one I don't like. I don't know. Anyway, so the smell of this, not my favorite. This smells amazing. This one is just okay. But I do like the product. This is a normal spray, so not an aerosol spray. So far I do like this product, but I need to test it more and include it in a speed review. But I do prefer this one. If this will be available, I will buy it because it is great, and the smell, it's so nice. I really love it. This is my favorite new discovery. So these are all the products, but I want to just add in here some random stuff. For blow drying my hair, I'm using this guy in here. This is a Philips blow dryer, and you know why I bought this one. It's purple. Yeah, so anyway, it is a really good blow dryer, but it is purple, so. And then my curling iron is from Remington, and it is a pretty basic one. And then I want to talk about my hairbands, because recently I fall in love with hairbands. I do have 3 that are the same but different colors. These were like $3 or something like that, and $3 all of them. And they are so great. I really like them. I like wearing them in my hair. I feel like if you have oily hair, just use some of these, and it is very helpful because you can create some volume with it. I really like them. I have a white, a purple, and a blue. I have 3 others. I have this one. It's very thin and it has some flowers on it. It is really cute. And then I have my cat ears. I did wear them in some videos just to put my hair back. They are very cute. I do really like them. I had these for a long time. And then I have this one. This one, it's a bit more heavy duty, but yeah, I usually just put some hair to cover my ears because I feel like they are a bit weird when I'm using this one. And it is something like this. I do like them. I just want to add them in here. So if you have oily hair or any type of hair, I do recommend hairbands, and you can match them with your outfits, and they are just really, really cute. I want to mention as well that just a bit ago I was looking for some hair extensions because my hair looked so flat and so boring and I wanted to be long at least. But after discovering this product, I feel like I could just add a bit of volume and a bit of zhuzh to my hair, so I love it a lot more. So if you feel like your hair is a bit more flat or frizzy or something, maybe try some products, maybe try some volumizing spray or something, just to add a bit of something to your hair, and maybe then you are gonna love your hair, because I feel like products for hair are really, really helpful. So yeah, this was everything. A lot of products. Like I said, I'm not a professional, don't know too much about hair, but I want my hair to be the best it can be. So yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.